And here we go. So I know what you're thinking. I'm wearing the red shirt, but I'm playing a little reverse psychology because I wanted the price of Shiba Inu to go up. So I wore the red shirt because the green shirt wasn't working. I'm not that superstitious. But the great thing is Shiba Inu is up over the '09 level. This is massive as SHIB is up nearly 14% right now in the 24-hour period. It too is moving with the entire market. We're going to take a look at the overall market here in just a sec, but right now this is big news for SHIB. We're back in the top 40, rank number 39, and where could we be heading next? I'm going to explain that in this video. Now, real quick, we're taking a look at the overall global crypto market cap continuing to rise. It is now at $2.04 trillion, and it's up 4% right now. Just amazing things going on right now in the markets. Bitcoin up over 47,000. Ethereum closing in on 33,000. Cardano's moving in the green again. XRP just slightly down a little bit here, but it's fluctuating back and forth in the green. Dogecoin is another one. It and Shiba Inu are running together. They are both storming ahead. So let's take a look at the charts here. Let's jump in because SHIB has had a massive rally throughout the evening while at least I was sleeping. I know some people in our private community working the graveyard shift. Shout out to you, Lewis, and everybody else who stays up late over in our private community. Look at these massive gains here over the overnight hours here. Big green candlestick selling off just a bit right here in the last hour or so. Let's take this in a little bit closer here. Come in about from the 30-minute angle here, and then we could see that nice little run up. We are getting a red candlestick a little bit right here. Could be into a consolidation mode, but the big thing is we broke through a major resistance level, which was at the '09 level, and we can get rid of this now because we have shattered that. And whoop, I didn't want to do that. There we go. Okay. Real quick before we jump into more analysis here, just want to talk about our private community real quick. We've got the supporter levels and the insider levels. You could join for as low as $10 per month, where you're going to get Discord access and general support from me and guidance. Now, if you want me to take a look at your entire portfolio, help you out with that, you want hot crypto alerts, weekly alerts, buy and sell trade alerts from me, group portfolio shared access, all of these benefits along with the Discord access and general support. You've got to go with the insider package. That's $20 per month, and we can't wait to see you over there. We've got a growing community. We're getting close to 100 members. So if you're one of the next 6 people who signs up, you're going to help us get to the century mark, where we'll have 100 private community members all dedicated to helping each other grow our portfolios. So excited about that. All right, so let's jump into it. And let's take a look at some of the technicals here. We'll pull this out. So sitting at the 9-1 level right now, technical analysis summary here on SHIB says strong buy. Shocking, right? So here we go. We got strong buy with the moving averages. You got the oscillator saying it's a buy. And everything indicating SHIB is getting ready for a nice continued rally here today. It was kind of an awkward weekend. We were kind of bouncing between the red and the green. And last night, we saw it kind of break out. Everything was kind of slowly turning back green, and now we're setting up for, I think, another major week in crypto. I think we are just getting started. In these next several months, I think we are going to see new all-time highs for a lot of assets. I mean altcoins, I mean Bitcoin, I mean Ethereum, I mean, heck, maybe Shiba Inu. I mentioned many times before, if we can get back to all-time highs with SHIB, I think that would be massive. And I still believe that even if we get close to all-time highs, considering how high this thing was, that would be tremendous. Now, we are coming off of the '05 levels way back in July 20th, meaning we need to crunch a zero. We need to get a zero out of here to essentially double up from that point. I think that can happen within the next week, okay? And that would make sense because that would give a month's time for SHIB to kind of rally and come back around. So I think that is certainly feasible. Now, I want to take a look at Dogecoin too, because SHIB and Doge, as I've mentioned many times here lately, they're very tightly connected in terms of the chart pattern. So let me go into the 1 hour, not 1 minute, let me go 1 hour. There we go. All right, so here's Doge. okay, in the 1 hour. Here's SHIB. Very similar chart patterns, okay? They're moving up together. Here's Doge. Again, huge gains upward here for Dogecoin. It's up over 34 cents. We had a price target on this of about 35 cents in August. I think it's going to shatter that. That was just a few short days ago where we were in the mid-20s. I said I think we'll get to 35 cents here in August, probably 50 cents in September. I think we might get to 40, 45 cents here this week. On Dogecoin if this trend continues, and there is massive amounts of money coming into both of these assets right now, SHIB and Dogecoin. So let's take a look at SHIB right now. Overall number of holders continues to rise. 631,458 holders right now of Shiba Inu. And here's the other thing I want to talk about. Shiba Inu price looks ready to retest that 01 level, or the 10 level on the other end. Basically hammering out another 0 here. Okay, so a brief technical and on-chain analysis of Shiba Inu price. FX Street's analysts evaluate where SHIB could be heading next as it is primed to break out. Shout out to FX Street. Follow them on YouTube. And let's watch a little bit of this video together.
Okay, looking at Shiba Inu here from the daily perspective. One of the things that stands out here is that we have a cup with handle pattern that's formed. A lot of times cup with handles that form as the bottom formation are actually can be very powerful. And I'm always reminded of the price action of Home Depot and Microsoft when they came off the 1990 lows. They all formed a cup with handle patterns and went on to one of their explosive rallies of the 1990s. So I'm not saying that Shiba Inu is going to, duplicate that type of performance or longevity, but when people say hit cup with handle patterns as a bottom are questionable, they really are not. In fact, historical studies that I've done have shown that they can actually are on average very powerful. So we do have the cup with handle pattern here. We're looking at a measured move of about 36% from the handle high down. That takes us up to the profit target area that I've been seeking for a while now, which is these highs here from May 20th at 12.14 and then 12.04 here on May 24th. The measured move, I believe, comes in at about 12.17, so more or less the same price. So once we get above this handle high, we should see some resistance come into play here from this high and then some these swing highs here, but it should be minor when we get to this level here. You can see the cup with handle pattern a little bit better here on the intraday chart. Actually very constructive.
Okay, I'll stop it there. You can watch this full video. Just type in Shiba Inu price looks ready to retest. There's the price there at the top left. Follow FX Street over on YouTube. It's a good follow. But here's the thing. They're basically saying we are heading to the 12 level, the 1-2 level here, once we crunch out another 0. And that is super exciting. And as we kind of slowly push back to those 3-8 levels, which were the all-time high levels, this is going to get really exciting. Just keep in mind, always have an exit strategy if you're ready to take profits. I know a lot of people long-term holding this. That's great too. That's a strategy where you don't have to think much. But it depends on which assets you have, when you got in. So make sure you're starting to plan accordingly for all of your assets as we're heading into these next few months. Of course, I'll be right here on the channel telling you what I'm hearing, what I'm seeing, how long this bull run will last. I think we're going to be in it for the next 4 to 6 months. At least that's right now. I will keep you updated on that. And for Shiba Inu holders, things are getting exciting. Appreciate everybody stopping by. Thanks so much, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.